Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tessie. I'm super excited to announce to you that I got myself a new workshop. Glory to God. And I decided to film a little bit of the process. Enjoying the video and do not forget to subscribe.
I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see.
So guys, what do you think about the new store? Let me know in the comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys. Bye.